Hey guys, it's maiphammy here, and today I'm gonna be doing I'm smiling so much because like, yeah, I really want to go somewhere. I was supposed to go to Dallas on Saturday, which today's Thursday. I'm supposed to go to Dallas on Saturday, but then I'm like, you know what? I don't want to go to Dallas anymore. I was supposed to go there for Posty Fest, but shit got changed. Yeah, we're not going anymore. I could still go to Dallas, but like, what the fuck is there to do in Dallas? Sorry if you live in Dallas, but like, what the fuck is there to do in Dallas? I want to go somewhere. I'm gonna cancel my flight and I'm gonna go somewhere. I don't know where though. I put on my story. I said, cancel my flight to Dallas. Where should I travel to? And I got so many fucking things. Like, you guys are saying, I think the two most popular are Hawaii and California. You know what? If you guys want me to go to Hawaii and California, might as well do both. I make such impulsive decisions, it's bad. I don't really know how this is gonna work out, but it's gonna. So my brother really wants me to take him on a trip, but I'm not gonna pay for his flight to Hawaii. So we were like, you know what? Why don't we road trip? Zoom you guys in. All right, here is our map. This is not gonna be an accurate representation because I fucking suck at drawing, but we're gonna call this my adventure. Great words to describe me. We're gonna start off in Edmonton, Alberta. Then we're gonna go take a little trek down to Calgary. I hope you guys can see this. If not, I'm sorry. Zoom you in even more. Can you guys see now? That is gonna take an estimated time of 3 hours. We're gonna trek down, all the way to San Francisco. I'm too lazy to write the whole thing, so we're just gonna write San Fran, all right? From San Francisco, that's gonna take us 21 hours. We're gonna stay there for a bit, all right? We're gonna stay there for a couple hours. Then we're gonna trek to LA. Overnight, overnight, we're gonna go to LA. That's gonna take us 6 hours about. And then, oh shit, I forgot to draw the border. I wish I had an orange Sharpie to represent Donald Trump, but I don't, sorry. This border. If it was bright orange, you know, it'd be better. October 31st comes. We're not driving anymore. This is not accurate at all at this point. Then we are gonna fly ourselves to the beautiful fucking island. We're going to Hawaii, bitches, Honolulu. Boom, I bet you guys didn't expect that. October 31st to November 6th. Fucking just read no 6. November 6th, I will be in Hawaii. We are going to fly from Hawaii all the way back to Edmonton. Isn't this a great trip? Someone tell me this is a fucking amazing trip. If this goes all as planned, I'll be so fucking proud of myself. Tell me this is good. Do you see that? Amazing. Foolproof. Just kidding. I really don't know what's going on, but like, we'll just go with the flow. Just got off the phone with my brother, explained this all to him, and he confirmed it. I'm fucking booking the flights, everyone. Update. It is now 6:29. Okay. It's pretty, it's a lot later, and turns out we're gonna leave tomorrow instead, so we have a full day in San Francisco. But I just booked all my flights, and now I just need to finalize an Airbnb. I've literally just been writing so much shit out and financing just to make sure I have enough money so that I don't like go broke while I'm in Hawaii. But I think like I actually physically have to write everything out, or else I won't know how much money I have. By the way, I gotta point this out because I know you guys are gonna be like, oh my god, like she's so spoiled. I paid for this all myself. I'm paying for all the gas. I'm paying for all the hotels. I'm literally paying for every single penny of this trip, and I'm paying for my brother. So fucking kidding. Make sure to not skip the ads because you guys are the reason why I can go on this trip. So make sure not to skip the ads so that, you know, your girl can go on more trips and vlog them for you guys if you guys want to see more trips. I really don't know where to start. I usually don't plan trips this short notice, especially like these big of trip, but you know what? We're working on it. I have a pile of bathing suits. That's it. I'm gonna bring 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna bring 4 bathing suits. I feel like that's kind of excessive, but I'm trying to pack a little bit lighter. Don't know if that's gonna happen. I only have 2 pairs of shorts, and they are these. These are from Garage. You guys are gonna notice a trend. Then we're gonna bring a pair of black Lululemon speed shorts for like hiking or anything, you know? Like I'm gonna hike, but like just in case. I don't know, this is stressful as fuck. See, I don't know if I wanna bring boyfriend jeans. Like jeans just take up a lot of space, you know? Okay, we're gonna bring 1 pair of these mom jeans. These are from Garage. This is difficult. Like I feel like these are cute, but I don't know, like they're kind of, they do not flatter the ass at all, but I think they're good. Okay, we're gonna bring these. Right, this is horrible. This is going I have 6 pairs of pants that I want to bring right now, and I'll show you them. So we have these. These are like the baggy mom jeans. We have a simple like light wash skinny jean. We have some gray leggings for comfort. We have some underwear. We have some speed shorts for hiking, like athleticism. And we have 2 pairs of denim shorts for Hawaii. That's too many pants. Time for shirts. I feel like I'm gonna bring tube tops because like they're super universal. So I'm gonna bring a black one and then I'm gonna bring a white one. These are both from Garage. And then I'm gonna bring this white like cropped v-neck shirt that I actually love. This is also from Garage. Then I'm gonna bring this shirt. This is just like a gray shirt from Brandy. There's this shirt, super cute. Oh, wrong. Super cute. I'm gonna wear this in like LA, but I won't bring this to Hawaii. I feel like I'm gonna buy, yeah, you know what, that's enough. I'm gonna buy stuff. Pajamas. Now I literally can wear the same shit over again, so this is gonna be packed. Packing a strapless bra and then just a regular bra, and both of them are new. I've literally traveled so much and I still don't know what the fuck to pack. Okay, now I'm gonna pack up my makeup and like toiletries and stuff. This clear dirty one that I've taken everywhere. I'm not planning on bringing like a crap ton. Oh frick, I just hit my bed frame. I'm not planning on bringing like a crap ton of makeup because I'm writing down what I need to buy on my notes right now. So what I need to buy right now, tomorrow I'm gonna need to get makeup wipes and a mini face wash. For this trip, I'm gonna try not to let anything die because if anything dies, I can't really record too much, but we're gonna have 4 portable chargers. I'll be charging up one of these phones just in case that phone, like something happens to my other phone, you know, just in case. And then I have 3 camera battery, well I have 2 chargers, but 3 camera batteries so that I can literally record everything as I possibly. I wanna film so much of this trip for you guys. I know you're supposed to roll them. I don't know if I should though. I don't really know if this is like proven, but I see it in YouTube videos all the time. I'm gonna put these at the bottom because I feel like this is gonna be like a heavy part. You always want to put your heavy shit at the bottom so that it doesn't, like, your suitcase doesn't knock over. These will need to be ironed out somehow. See, like, these take up a lot of space. Like, what is this? And then I'm just gonna wear this white Garage shirt tomorrow. Also, I went in my sister's closet and I wanted to bring a dress and I don't have dresses really, so I grabbed this orange one. I really don't know if I'm gonna wear it. If I'm feeling it in Hawaii, then I'm feeling it. And then also I stole this cover up from my sister. This is from Zaflon. I think it's gonna look so freaking cute in Hawaii. So I have all my clothes packed right there, which I think is good. 4 bathing suits. I'm kind of giving up right now, but yeah, me giving up is eating. So I just ate 2 things of lasagna. We have some garlic bread, and he's making deep fried pickles, and Tian doesn't have a shirt on. You guys can't see anything from this angle, but she doesn't have a shirt on, and she's trying to make her own Halloween costume. Alright, so it's now 11:18 p.m. and I just edited like a raw copy of my makeup tutorial routine, but I still need to pack like my socks and underwear and just things. I don't know, I feel like I'm forgetting a lot of stuff because my carry-on is pretty fucking empty and I just don't know what the fuck to do. Also, I traded my sister my Pro for her little tiny little Air because this is be way easier to transport and it's just way lighter. So alright, so it is now 11:19 p.m. and I just did a raw copy edit of my makeup routine video. I feel like I'm forgetting so much stuff because my carry-on is honestly not packed right now. Like, it's not full. So I don't know, but I still have to put like my underwear and stuff in there. Yeah, I can't believe I'm going on a 12-day trip. I honestly can't believe it, and we planned this in not even 12 hours. I just decided at 12 o'clock that I'm gonna do a face mask since I won't be able to do one for like 2 weeks. Now I'm gonna leave this on for 15 minutes, even though I literally leave all my face masks on for like an hour. I'm gonna show you guys what I have done right now. My clothes are still drying, but this is basically what my bed is looking like. So I'm also gonna clean my room before I go to bed.
I'm like naked right now. Ready, Mai? I'm gonna fart. Oh, it's quiet.
I got that all on vlog. Okay, you guys are gonna witness me pluck my eyebrows with Charlie on FaceTime. That was so cringy. Boy. You're such a boy. Alright, so I just finished packing, but like I feel like I didn't bring enough stuff for some odd fucking reason. I thought that this was gonna be full, but really it's not. I have so much extra room. I'm gonna clean my room before I go to bed. Some ukulele, because if you guys didn't know, I sing sometimes. You guys didn't know that until like 2 videos ago, which is crazy because my YouTube channel actually started off with me doing like music, guitar, piano, doing covers. I deleted all of those now, but I kind of stopped singing because I realized that I'm not better than average, so. She knows what I think about, and what I think about. One love, 2 mouths, one love, one house. No shirt, no blouse, just us, you find out. Nothing I wouldn't want to tell you about, no. Cause it's too cold for you. I keep messing up my strumming. Oh my fuck. Cause it's too cold. Fuck. Cause it's too cold for you here and now. So let me hold both your hands in the holes of my sweater. If I may just take your breath away, I don't mind if that much to say. Sometimes silence guides my mind, swim to a place so far away. Yeah, the goosebumps start to base the minute that my left hand meets your waist. And then I watch your face, put my finger in your tongue cause you love the taste. Yeah, these hearts adore everyone that other beat is hardest for. Inside this place is warm, outside it starts to pour. Coming down, one love, 2 mouths. Fuck. One love, one house. No shirt, no blouse. Just us, you find out. Nothing that I want to say about. No, no, no. Cause it's too cold. I don't know, fuck. Alright, so it is now 12:54. I'm gonna finish editing my makeup routine video so that I can get that up tomorrow while I'm on the road. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. There are gonna be 12, okay, not 12, probably like a lot more vlogs to come because I'm traveling for 12 days. So I'm gonna be trying to vlog as much as I fucking possibly can and as much as I can upload so that you guys can get content all the time. I really hope you guys will like this vlog series, and if you guys want me to continue traveling and making these vlogs and doing something with my life, make sure to not skip the ads. I know that might sound so fucking stupid, but like, that's how I spend my money to travel for you guys. Honestly, I would not be able to do this trip without you guys, like 110%. You guys paid for this whole trip, so thank you guys so much, by the way, like so much. I read all the comments. I love to know if you guys subscribe. Follow all my social medias on the screen right here if you guys want to stay updated with what I'm doing. Like, I do live streams a lot too, so you guys will get to know before the vlog does. So yeah, peace.